Yeah?
Yeah.
Dudes and dudettes, we've come here to apologize for the last couple of weeks. Filming everything, I seem to have lost all the footage. I kind of screwed up. So we're just going to pick it up from here and show you what we're doing. Mr. B, thanks for coming. Mr. M, you too.
Tit.
Good to have you here.
Pleasure.
It's always a
I'm a
pleasure to
peasant.
have Tit.
Yes.
Well, not on me, although...
I'm a stinking peasant.
A peasant.
See? I'm a peasant. I get abused. For fun.
Let's get to work, dudes and dudettes. Finally got the right part for the bike. Apparently we got the wrong one. I got the second-hand pulley and I ordered a new one because it didn't fit. It was for a newer type of bike, which means that it's a little too thick. So where's the box? Let's show the people what we got.
That's the original.
Oh yeah. Now explain the difference. What we did. What's wrong with that?
That's a younger model. So
The
this
younger model, because the inside here is too thick.
So it's
this part.
after 99.
99.
After 99.
Yeah, after 99.
Or 99 up.
99 up.
And that's
So now we got an 80, well no, 79 to 99 or something like that. Roughly, I don't know,
Yeah.
80 something or other.
this,
Brand spanking new. Look at how shiny black. Ooh.
So the inside is thinner and both sides are
Flanged.
flanged. As you say, and it's a bit same size. Okay.
See, this part is a lot thinner. The inside here is a lot thinner than this one. It's around, at least a centimeter.
Yeah, I think so.
Quarter inch.
Okay.
Maybe even more, half inch. Let's see.
Try it on for size.
Yeah, hold on. All right, Mr. B, let's see if this thing will fit on there. That's all it does, right there.
Like
Flush.
a glove.
Perfect.
Now you got new balls. Nuts or new nuts.
I got a new nut I ordered. I don't know why I ordered, the other one's still good, but hey, for a couple of bucks, might as well just get a new one. I like shiny things.
Like a fucking parrot.
A crow.
This one is.
Oh, okay, we're gonna get a new one. He just dropped it, so it's got a scratch on it.
It feels like aluminum.
Seriously?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Feels like, I don't know.
Yeah, it's very light.
It's magnetic, so it's not aluminum.
Okay. And then steel. And it goes counterclockwise. So it tightens itself up as it's turning. But we have another bolt to put in there.
The main difference, one of the differences is this one requires a locking plate.
That's right.
So it goes on like this.
Yeah.
You have,
Then you have a plate that
goes over the nuts.
and you can
locks
adjust
here.
it to any size.
Yeah. And this one gets, the new one, or your type, gets locked with one of these screws on one of the sides. So you just screw it in, and that will prevent it from coming loose.
That's right. Okay, so now we have a little issue of trying to get it up and make sure the brake's in there, or get the brake on the
Oh, I don't have an issue getting it up.
You know?
Speak for yourself, please.
You want to know the trick?
What's that? Now we got the belt on there.
Yeah, the brake
Did we put
pads.
it the right way? Is the Harley sign still?
Where's the logo?
Well, I don't think we didn't
Here,
move
here's
it,
the
so it's
logo.
still good.
It's really cool.
Logo is towards me.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, then we did it right.
Yeah.
The brake
You're not going to tell me that this belt is too short.
I don't know, I didn't count the cheese.
Can't go backwards more. Crap.
So this is what you get when you buy secondhand stuff and you trust people. I guess he just didn't know what he was selling, or I didn't know what I was buying. Apparently I need a 136 teeth belt, and I got 132, and that's exactly the about roughly inch-ish that were too short on the belt. So now we're going to see if we can find a longer belt with 4 more teeth. So now I have to take it all apart again to get the belt off. Oh man, this is just not working out the way I was hoping.